As an Aetna employee, you are required to comply with federal legislation designed to protect patient privacy. Chief among this legislation is HIPAA, the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. This is serious stuff. Failure to comply with HIPAA can result in severe penalties, including fines for the company and even jail time. So you probably thought we were the stodgy tech company, right? Everybody in suits and ties and perfectly arranged cubicles. Bet you didn't expect the beanbag chairs or the free Starbucks, the daycare center, or Jenny. Hi, Jenny! With the blue hair, nose rings, and the Cthulhu tattoo, did you? Well, we're Microsoft. And as you'll find out during this new recruit training video, we're not your mommy's internet company. Mr. Pebbles thought that Carly would be his friend. But Carly said that boys are stinky. And now Mr. Pebbles has hurt feelings. What should Mr. Pebbles do? Should he tell Carly that she is stinky too? Should he go away and feel sad? Or should he tell Carly that what she said hurt his feelings? Now that you've completed the driver rest requirements module, it's time to take a look at safety best practices. At Conway, we take safe driving seriously. In order to reduce accidents, liability, and maintain our brand image, we install driver behavior tracking devices in every vehicle. You need to know what is being tracked so that you can stay within the defined parameters. Our tracking devices monitor your GPS location, speed, braking, acceleration, and weather conditions. Okay, Peter, so I'm pretty impressed by your KPIs. You've exceeded all of your targets this year. How did you do it? Great. One concern I've had is your sick leave. You've taken more days this year than you ever have before. Your productivity can't be questioned, but are you feeling all right? I get it. Look, you're killing it, Peter, but we don't want you to burn out. You're at almost 150% of target on all your KPIs. We'd be pretty happy with 110% if it means we get to keep you around longer, okay?